Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome. If you are new, my name is Charlen, and on this channel, we discuss everything beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while? In today's video, we are doing a collective haul of things that I picked up from the remaining items from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Also have my Ipsy that has come in and items that I decided to cash in with my reward points from Ulta. So if you would like to see what items that I did end up picking up, then just stay tuned. So first things first, let's just jump into the items that I end up getting with my points, because I'm hauling these things, but I already dug into them. So let me tell you, this here from Philosophy, Fresh Cream. Fresh Cream is Fresh Cream Silk Cloud. This has your Chantilly cream. It has some jasmine. It has some vanilla. This one was on my list whenever I was doing my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty recommendations video or whatever. At the end of their little flyer that I was flipping through, I saw where they were saying the new perfumes, and I was sharing with you in that section of ones I was interested in, and this one really spoke to me, so I decided to blind buy this with my points, and this one did not disappoint. So got this one. Another one that I did pick up with my points was this My Way. This is My Way Ylang. My Way Ylang. I have already dug into this one as well. This one is your tropical. It has the mango, it has the coconut, it has ylang ylang with tuberose. Was supposed to be checking all the boxes for me, you guys, and it didn't. It didn't. And I was so upset about this one, because this one has been one I've been eyeballing since it released in, was it 2024 or 2025 that they released this My Way. I have never picked up a My Way. I've got little miniatures of like My Ways or samples of the different My Ways and flankers or whatever. But this one was the first one that actually spoke to me, that was like, I want to get the My Way Ylang. Blind bought it with my points. So, needless to say, I hold it, but it's going back because I don't like it. I gave it 2 tries, and it's going back. Destined de Balmain. Yes, I decided to get this set. Everybody and their mama was raving on how beautiful this scent is, how it's so sophisticated. It's like a nice, sweet, freshy strawberry with some woodiness about it. And so, again, this is another one I've already tested twice. This is not a love for me. It has some kind of note in here. And although this is advertised as a nice, freshly picked strawberry, sweet strawberry with some woodiness and muskiness, I'm getting mostly, it's something synthetic in here. I can't put my nose on it. Some people may call it niche or whatever, but it's just giving me like a chemically smell that I don't appreciate. And that's why I decided to give it another spray, just to make sure it wasn't that it was the bottle needed to be sprayed out. It's something in there. I don't know if it's the lily note in there or what, if it's whatever they created to use the peony in there. But whatever it is, I don't know if it's the type of musk or patchouli they're using. Whatever it is, it's not vibing well with my skin chemistry. And I am not getting a nice, freshly picked strawberry. I have strawberries in my garden. I've had them for years. this scent is not giving me strawberry. So I don't know what they got in here. For me and my skin chemistry, this is a no. So this one unfortunately didn't work for me, and this one unfortunately didn't work for me. And I got both of these with my points. And so disappointing, but it is what it is. I also got this here for my hubby. This, if you remember, like I was saying about the perfume, we did the perfume and cologne sampler theme from the last fall Sephora sale. I don't know which video go up first, this one or that one. But anyways, this was his second favorite in there. So I decided to cash in and was able to get 20% off during their 20% off sale and get this one for him, because this one was a love for him. So I went on ahead and got him the big size. This is the 6.7. This was the Dolce & Gabbana. This is the light blue Pour Home EDT. He loved this scent, so now he has it in his collection. Let's quickly go over the items that I did get in my Ipsy box this time. I love the fact that they went to this color box because this is gorgeous. So the Ipsy this month for April says Dare to Daydream on it. And they got Festival and Chill on here. I know the festival is coming up. Or is it the one that they hold in California? I know that is either coming up or already happening, one or the other. So in this one, I got the Maison Louis Marie. This is the Fleur de la Passion. This is the hair and body mist from them. So I got this. See what this looks like. So that's what it looks like. Got the By the Beach Melon Days. This is a face and body cream. The Jisoo Honey Infused Lip Oil Glazed Plum. A beauty boost was the Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer. Then I also have the Lip Vanna Maracuja Juicy from Tarte. And what is this? This is the Aether Beauty Crystal Charge Cheek Palette. So it looks like this. And it looks like this. And that was everything in my Ipsy box for this month of April. All right, so the remaining items are the items I did also get remaining from the Ulta sale. So this here I got was the Jasmine Peach EOS lotion. I wanted to try this lotion out, so I finally gave it a go. Also picked up that DKNY Be Delicious Orchid Street. This is one that they was having on sale. And I think they still have that one on sale on their site. At least the last time I saw they did. What is this? This is some little baggie, some little pouch set that they have that came free with something. So got this. I already showed you the stuff that came in my other bag. So some of these were free gifts with that. But we got the Ray-Ban Rabanne. This is their eye quads that they had. This is the Euphoria handbag palette. Let's see what we think about this. It's shiny. So you got to push it in for it to open. Okay, so this is that one that I got that has some purple mauve colors in it. And this one is the Euphoria handbag palette. So that's saying the same thing. So what is the actual this one is called Don't Be Shy. And this one is Paradise Lost Then Found. So this is also this one. So this one has some green tones in it and some Jerusalem looking colors in there. So that's what those look like. Wanted to see what that brand was like and give it a test, so we shall see. This bag came free with purchase, so let's burst this open and see what's in here. They had the different bags that you can choose from, and of course I picked the one that was purple. And they got a pack full of goodies in here, looks like. So let's see what's in here. So we have a 24-hour brow setter in here. They have a Uni 24-hour serum. This is a 50 ml. Has cedar leaf, juniper, and smoked sandalwood in this. They say this is a serum. It says a lightweight body treatment. So okay. So that's that. This is a Mitsune. What is this? A cleansing oil. We have a Shiseido clarifying cleansing foam. I don't even know why I bother putting this in here. This is a tiny looking thing. It says Herborian Skin Therapy. This is a dermatological special cleansing gel. They have a Lancome Idol. This is a mascara from them. And then we have several perfume samplers. So this is the Pretty Peony from Flower Bomb. Hey, looky here. Good Girl Jasmine. I can see what it smells like. See if it'll be worth the bottle. This is Gaultier Divine, their new sampler. And then this other one is a Bad Boy Cobalt one. So that is everything that was in that one. Then I have another mini looking bag here that was full of goodies. Let's see what's in this one. Looky here, you guys. Dolce & Gabbana Mini My Devotion. This is a 5 ml. I love getting these little miniatures perfumes. Let's see what this looks like. Look at it. It's super cute. I am definitely going to compare this to that second song now that I got to send in my collection. We're going to definitely check it out because that one is in sitting right now. CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This is another mascara from Lancome, but this one is their Flutter extension, so this is a different one. We got Wella Ultimate Color Leave-In Mask. Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. A Charlotte Magic Water Cream. And this is a perfume sampler from Noise in Unmute. So that is everything that was in this little bag. These little bags be giving, boy. They give out some good stuff in these bags. Got 2 more bags. So got this one here. This one is a bigger one. So let's see what's in here. A Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. This is Caviar Alterna Bond Repair sample. This is another Pretty Peony sampler. This is a YSL Libre EDP sampler. This is pretty big. This is from Odell. This is a leave-in conditioner. A Cetaphil cleansing cloth. A La Roche-Posay oil control serum. A Buxom full-on plumping lip gloss. What shade is this? This is new. Dolly for All. That's what they're calling it. An e.l.f. Thirsty Burst Drops. And there is a Million Gold for Her perfume spray in here. And then a bag. Also, this is the pink version of that same bag that I just had in the purple. So I got it in pink and purple. And then the other thing that's left in here is a wrap lash from Revolution. This is their tubing mascara. And then the last little baggie here of goodies has another magic water cream. You guys, it has another 5 ml of my devotion. This is another Lancome Flutter extension. This is another one of those A Good Molecules moisturizer. This is another one from Noise in Mute. So I'm getting some duplicates here of stuff. This is another one of those Wella Ultimate Colors. And this is another one of those CeraVe facial moisturizing lotions. So that had similar stuff as the other one, just not as much. All right, you guys. So that is everything that I got that I have to share in today's video. Are you going to be taking advantage of the Sephora sale coming up? I have my video recommendations that I'll have coming up. I don't know which one to go up first, this one or that one, but for us Rouge members, the sale is starting this Friday the 10th. And the sale is going to continue through the 20th. So are you guys going to take advantage of the sale? Let me know down below in the comments. Or did you already do your 20% at Ulta? Because Ulta just ended their 20% off almost everything in their store as well. So some people took advantage of that sale over there with some of the stuff that they may carry at similar stores. So did you do that? Let me know down below. I'd love to know. Also, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.